Good morning, students. Our today's topic in the subject of Mathematics D3 in class O levels is congruent and similar triangles. So concentrate yourself. Here are some very important concepts that are going to be involved. So first you have to understand and learn these concepts. So look now. Two triangles are congruent if there are four conditions. Side, side, side. It means if three sides of one triangle are same to the corresponding three sides of the other triangle, then two triangles will be congruent. And this property is called side, side, side. It means all three sides of one triangle are equal to the all three sides of the other triangle. So this is the property that is called side, side, side. The next property is called side, angle, side. It means two sides of one triangle and their included angle. Included angle stands for, if we are talking about these two sides, so this is the included angle. So if two sides and their included angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and their included angle of the second triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. The next property is angle, angle, side. So it means if two angles and one side of one triangle are equal to the two angles and one side of the second triangle, then two triangles will be congruent. The next property is called RHS. RHS stands for right angle, hypotenuse, and side. So it means if the hypotenuse and one side of one right angle triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and the side of the other right angle triangle, then these two triangles will be congruent, and this property is called RHS. Here is a question, and the statement of the question is identify the triangles that are congruent, keep the letters in correct order, and state the case of the congruency. So it is very necessary to keep the order in correct order, to keep the letters in correct order. So concentrate yourself. So because these two triangles are congruent, the reason is two sides and their included angle are equal in one triangle to the other. That's why these two triangles are congruent. And the method to write congruent is triangle ABC. Look now, we are keep the order of the letters A, B, C. So actually we are moving from angle towards the double angles, then the side without the lines. So A, B, C. So we have to keep the same order in the other triangle also. So that will be X, Y, and Z. So this is the thing which I'm telling you. You have to keep the letters in correct order. So actually A is corresponding side of Y, B is corresponding side of Y, A is corresponding side of X, B is corresponding side of Y, and C is corresponding side of Z. Okay, the next thing that is required is state the case of the congruency. So actually two sides and their included angles are equal. So that's why side, angle, side property is applied. So that's why these two triangles are congruent. Here is another question, and this statement is same. So from here, if you can see, first we have to keep the letters in correct order. So triangle PQR is congruent to triangle. Okay, look now, we are moving from single side to triple. Okay, PQR. Okay, we have to move from single side to triple. So ABC. So this is the thing which you have to be very careful for. So look now again. I'm moving from single side. So this is single, this is triple, and this is double. So I'm moving from single to triple. So PQR. Likewise, in the other triangle, you have to move from single to triple. So ABC. ACB will be in correct order. So P is corresponding to A, Q is corresponding to B, and R is corresponding to C. And the property which is applying here for congruent triangles is side, 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 because all three sides of one triangle are same as that of the three sides of the other triangle. So side, side, side property is applied. Here is another figure. Statement is same. So these two triangles are again congruent. So keep the letters in correct order is we are moving from vertex to the angle and then to the right angle. So look now, it means triangle ABC. So we are moving from vertex to the angle and then to the right angle. So ABC, so sorry, ABD will be congruent to. So keeping the order same in the other triangle also, we are moving from vertex to the angle and then to the right angle. So ACD. So from here, A is corresponding to A, B is corresponding to C, and D is corresponding to D. Okay, from this figure, we can see the angle is same, then another angle is same, and then this side AD is common, that is same in both triangles. So one side and two angles are same. So it means angle, angle, side property will be applied to prove this is a congruent triangle. Here is another figure. This statement is same. Definitely these two triangles are again congruent. So keep the letter in correct order is actually, look here, we are moving from single side to double and then O. So look now, ABO. So it means triangle ABO in one triangle. This is the order of the letters. So we are moving from single to double and then O. So keeping the order same. So single to double and then O. That is CDO. So this is the thing which you have to be very, very careful for. So now A is corresponding to C, B is corresponding to D, and O is corresponding to O. Okay, from here you can see actually two angles. So single, single, double, double. So two angles and one side are same in both triangles. So two angles and one side stands for angle, angle, side. So this is the property which is applied to prove these two triangles congruent. Here is another question. So a figure is given. And here is a question that we have to complete. This kind of question normally comes in the paper number 1 of mathematics O levels. So look now, copy and complete in triangle ABC and ADC. Here is ABC and here is ADC. So AB is equal to, so look now, we are moving from vertex to double side. So vertex to double side is AD. Then BC. So we are moving from here single side, so BC, so that will be equal to DC. Then AC, so AC is common in both triangles, so AC is equal to AC. So that's why triangle ABC. So keep the letters in correct order. So moving from vertex to double side and then single. So ABC. So ADC. Okay, BAC angle. BAC. That will be equal to DAC angle. Then B angle is equal to, here is the B angle. So that will be equal to D angle. And ACB. So look now, ACB, that will be equal to ACD. So this is the question. The next thing that we are going to read in the topic congruent and similar triangles is similar triangles. So concentrate yourself. Two triangles are similar if there are three conditions for two triangles to be similar. Now, one condition is two angles of one triangle are equal to the two angles of the other triangle. If this condition holds, then two triangles will be congruent triangles. The second condition is all the corresponding sides of the two triangles are proportional. So this is the second property. And the third property, if this property holds, then the two triangles will be similar again. The third property is an angle of one triangle is equal to an angle of the other triangle, and the sides, which includes the equal angle of both triangles, are proportional. So these are three properties. If any one of these three properties apply to two triangles, then the two triangles will be similar. So another very important thing I'm telling you, congruent triangles are same in size and shape with each other. Color and texture will not matter. And the similar triangles are same in shape, but size will be different. So these are the actually conditions for congruent and similar triangles. Here is a question. This statement is given that the two triangles are similar. So it is already given that the triangles are similar. Requirement is find the value of G and H. So G is in this triangle and H in this triangle. So if these are similar triangles, so these conditions will be applied in these triangles. So the ratio of the corresponding sides will be same. So look now, if we are moving from this triangle to this triangle, so this is the order which we have to keep now. So moving from here to here. So look now, from single angle to blank side. So 8 over. So single angle to blank side will be 6. Okay, again in this triangle, from double to blank, that is 6. Okay, in this triangle, double to blank, that is H. Okay, again in this triangle, from single to double, that is G. Okay, in this triangle, from single to double, that is 3. So that is the order which we have to keep. So if the order which we have adopted in one triangle, that should be applied in the other triangle also. So this is the thing now from which we will find G and H. So look now, combining these two expressions. So 8 over 6 equal to 6 over H. Cross multiplying the values, H will come here. So it will become 8H equal to 36. And then this 8 will go to the right hand side into the denominator of 36. So from here, 4 2s are, 4 9s are, and H will be 4.5. Unit used in the question is centimeters, so centimeters. Okay, now combining this factor and this factor. So 8 by 6, because all three values are equal, so that's why we can keep any two values equal. So 8 by 6 equal to g over 3. From here, cross multiplying the values, so 8 threes are 24, and this 6g. From here, 6 will come to the right side, will be equal to g now. So 6 ones are 6 fours are. So g is equal to 4 centimeter. So this is the answer. Here is a question. The statement is in the figure BC is parallel to PQ. So BC is parallel to PQ. AB is 6 centimeter. So this side is given 6. AC 5.6. BC 7.2 and AP 9. AP full 9. So if this is 6, so this will be 3. Okay, show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle APQ. Okay, the first thing that we are going to prove, the triangles are similar. So look now, if these two sides are parallel, so it means these two will be corresponding angles. Also, these two will be also corresponding angles. So look now, ABC. So ABC angle is equal to APQ. The reason is corresponding angles. Also, ACB is equal to AQP. The reason is again corresponding angles. So, if two corresponding angles are same in the two triangles, then the triangles are similar. So here is the property. Two angles of one triangle are equal to the two angles of the other triangle. So it means triangle ABC is similar to triangle APQ. So up to here, the question is done. Okay, look now and find CQ and PQ. Okay, it means if the two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the corresponding sides will be same in the two triangles. So it means, okay, we are moving from smaller to bigger triangle. So AB over AP is equal to AC over AQ should be equal to BC over PQ. Okay, the ratio of the corresponding sides are same. So now the thing that is required is CQ and PQ. So this is required and this is required. Okay, we are going to put the values into it. So AB, that is 6 over 9, is equal to AC, that is 5.6 over 5.6 plus question mark. Okay, call it X equal to BC, that is 7.2 over, okay, call it Y. Okay, from here we are taking this expression now. So 6 over 9 is equal to 5.6 over 5.6 plus X. Cross multiply, so 6 into 5.6 plus X will be equal to 9 into 5.6. Okay, solving it, 6 into 5.6 is 33.6. plus 6x will be equal to 9 into 5.6, that is 50.4. From here, this 33.6 will go to the right hand side and will be subtracted from this. So the answer is 16.8, and this will go to the denominator. So the x will be equal to 2.8. Okay, the units used in the question are centimeters. So x is 2.8 centimeter. Okay, CQ and PQ. So CQ is done. And now PQ. Okay, now we will take these two values equal. So I'm coming here. So look now, 6 over 9 is equal to 7.2 over y. So cross multiplying the values, 6y will be equal to 9 into 7.2. That is 64.8. And then y, 6 will be divided by 64.8. 10.8 centimeters. So this is the answer. So here is another question. Requirement is find P, Q, R, and S. So missing values are the requirement to find their value of. Okay, look now. In triangle CXY and CDE. So these are similar triangles. So in similar triangles CXY and CDE. So the order which we are giving them is, look now, Q over 3. So we can keep this order also, Q over 3. So look now, we are moving from this to this, Q over 3. So here 6 by 4. So cross multiplying the values, 4q will be equal to 18, and from here q will be equal to 18 by 4. That is 4.5. And all measurements are given in centimeter. There is missing. I forget to write here. So 4.5 centimeters. So q is done. Okay, look now. Again, we are in the same triangles. So we are moving from here to here, or from here to bigger triangle, that is 6 by 10. So look now, 6 is the side of the smaller triangle, and the bigger triangle is total 10. So 6 by 10. So again, from smaller to bigger, that is 9 over p. So from here, cross multiplying the values, so 6p will be equal to 90, and p will be equal to 90 over 6. That is 15 centimeters. So p is also done. Okay. Now look, this is very important now. In triangles, so whenever two triangles are in cross with each other, so look now, here is the cross. The sides corresponding are, this side will be corresponding to this side will be corresponding to this, and the letters from XY will be corresponding to BA. So in similar triangles, triangle is CXY. So look now, CXY. So we will move Where now? CBA. So be very careful now. Q over S. So we are moving from here to here. Then 6 over, okay, then 9 over 8. Because we have to use one fraction in which both values are given. So from here you can find the values now, because Q is 4.5. So put the value of Q. 4.5 over S is equal to 9 by 8. So cross multiplying the values, 9S will be equal to 8 into 4.5. That is 36. And S will be equal to 4 centimeter. So S is also done. Okay, now we can move from again Q over S is equal to 6 over R. So Q over S, or you may move from 9 to 8 because this is much easier. So 9 over 8 is equal to 6 over R. So cross multiplying the values, so 9R will be equal to 8 6 are 48, and from here R is equal to 48 over 9. That is 5.33 centimeters. So R is also done. Here is a very important question. The side AB of triangle ABC is divided at X in the ratio 3:4. P and Q are the points on CA and CB. Okay, look now. P and Q are the points on CA and CB such that XP and XQ, so XP and XQ are parallel to BC and AC. Okay, signs are there that are showing they are parallel. So look now, solution here. AXP angle will be equal to ABC angle, because these sides are parallel, so these will be corresponding angles. So this and this will be corresponding angle, and this will be corresponding angle as well, because these two sides are parallel. So likewise APX is equal to ACB. So these are actually corresponding angles. So it means if two angles in two triangles are same, then the triangles are similar. So triangle AXP and ABC are similar. Okay, first we have proved the triangles similar. Now we can we can use the properties of the similar triangles. So look now. Here is the point given. The point X is divided in the ratio 3:4. So it means AX XB will be 3:4. So here is 3, here is 4. Okay. Now we are moving from smaller triangle to bigger triangle. So 3 over total 7 will be equal to, if this side is 16, this will be equal to 16, because this is the property of the parallelogram. So because this is parallelogram, this is 15, so this will be 15 as well. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. So we have moved from smaller to bigger. So smaller is AP over AP plus 16. So cross multiplying the values from here. So this side will come here. So 3AP plus 48 equal to 7AP. Okay, this side will go to the right hand side. So 4AP will be equal to 48. And from here 12. And unit is centimeter. So 12 centimeter is AP. So AP is 12 centimeter. Okay, the requirement is AC. So the total length is required. So AC is equal to 12 plus 16. So 28 centimeter. So first thing is done. Next requirement is BQ. So again we are moving from smaller to bigger. So 3 by total 7 is equal to smaller to bigger, that is 15 over, this is bigger, so BQ plus 15. So cross multiplying the values, so it will come here. So 3BQ plus 45, and this is going there. So 7 5s are 35 and 105. So from here, this 45 will go to the right hand side. So 3BQ, this will be 60, and from here BQ will be equal to 20 centimeter. So this is the answer.